In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to blur the background of an image using Canva. First, create a new design and import your chosen image. Once your image is uploaded, click Edit Photo to begin the editing process. Next, utilize the Magic Grab feature, which allows you to effortlessly separate the photo from its background. After extracting your photo, focus on the background by selecting it. Navigate to the Effects section and choose the option to blur the entire image. Here you can adjust the blur intensity to your preference. Once you're satisfied with the blur level, return to your design to view the outcome. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insights on using Canva's features.